This is Scott with Familia Pizza. We're doing something a little differently. Usually I got pizza peels and cheese and pepperoni in my hands. We got some destruction tools today. This is my original trailer that I've had for about 12 and a half years that I built my business on. The trailer is in amazing shape, but the oven itself has kind of lived through its usefulness. So it's a 40-inch oven. We're going to be knocking it off today, and in a couple weeks we're putting a 48-inch oven on there so that we can even cook more pizzas and do bigger events with this one. You usually just see me in my food truck, but this is actually how I started my whole truck, or my whole business, with this trailer. It's been a great thing, and it's going to be a little bittersweet to have to knock it down here in a minute. Well, that was fun. Now we'll finish cleaning up.